If the front camera on your Android phone is not working, there are several things you can try to fix the issue. Restart your phone. This is a basic step that can help fix most problems on your Android phone. Try restarting your phone and see if the front camera starts working again. Clear camera app cache. Go to your phone's settings, apps and notifications, see all apps, camera, storage, clear cache. This will clear the cache of your camera app, which may be causing the issue. Update camera app. Check if there is an update available for your camera app. If there is, update the app and see if the issue is resolved. Check for system update. Go to your phone's settings, system update and check if there is an update available for your phone. If there is, update your phone and see if the issue is resolved. Disable camera app and re-enable. Go to your phone settings, apps and notifications, see all apps, camera disable, enable. This will disable the camera app and then re-enable it, which may help fix the issue. Check for any third-party camera app conflict. If you have installed any third-party camera apps, try uninstalling them and see if the issue is resolved. Factory reset. If none of the above steps work, you can try performing a factory reset. Make sure to back up your data before performing the reset, as this will erase all data on your phone. If none of these steps work, it may be a hardware issue and you should take your phone to a professional for repair.